Hello viewers, welcome you all from HLTF Tech channel. Today we are going to see how we can export Excel template in which we can enter different data ultimately for importing for subsequent importing into some entity. Okay, there are specific requirements when you need to create a data in a specific format. Okay, as you all know that we can import data into any entity using excel xsv, that is excel format, and csv format. So it's mandatory that the format of the correct format of excel file is mandatory for proper importing into dynamics crm entity. For example, here you can see that there is an entity in which there are different columns. If I click on new, you can see here that there are different fields here. Now what I want to import data into that fields by from external excel file. So for that purpose, first of all I will generate a excel template of this entity with proper formats, so that only the correct data is entered or imported into the entity. For that purpose, I can go directly from excel template into create excel template. Similarly, I can also go into uh, here I can go into settings, templates, and document templates. Here you can see I can create a new, and here I will select induction, that is available in alphabetical order, induction, and the use save view will be active view. And now here I can also edit columns here: surname, first name, last name, age, created on let's say I want to delete created on column. I can also add columns here. uh, we can enter date of birth, we can enter different things as well. Okay, so after that I am going to click on download file, and after some time active induction format is downloaded. Now this format is downloaded with the exact data. Okay, so I can now add multiple records here, and after adding the records here I can subsequently let me close some previous things. I can subsequently import data into that induction. I can subsequently import data, and by importing data I can add that excel file that I have just downloaded. So in this way you can add pre formatted template in which you can add multiple record. You can add different type of files here after adding data into that files. Let me show you here. I want to add, let me delete this record, and let me add one more Mr. Get Natinga. His age will be 58. His sex will be male, and his education will be metric, and his date of birth will be 3/5/1987. Okay, so in this way you can add multiple rows here, and after adding rows here, let me see where it has been saved. It has been saved in downloads. Yes, it has been saved in downloads. Now I can drag a file here or choose a file. In downloads I will go into active induction, open, next. Here you can see that it is not there is an option that do you want to allow duplicates. I say no. Owner of this import is sp admin. I will click on submit. Your data has been submitted for import. So after some time, okay, in this way here you can see that success 4 has been success. So if I go into HRM induction, here you can see that the data regarding all the 4 records 1 2 3 4 has been imported successfully. This was the data which I update maximum fields here. This is available here, and here you can see that its values are saved here. Okay, so in this way you can download a template related to any entity. You can add data into that template, and you can subsequently import it into some same entity. In this way you don't get any problems regarding the you know formatting, data formatting or data types. Okay, I thank you all for watching this video, and guys, subscribe my channel and enjoy watching more videos.